Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making meatloaf, and I am doing like a sort of Italian style meatloaf. I don't think I've ever done this on this channel before, but for that you're going to need 1 pound of ground beef. This is 80-20 fat content. If you use a more lean one, it's not going to be as tender, it's going to be a little bit more dried out. So I always tend to go a little bit more fattier. And then I am going to need some parmesan, shredded parmesan. And this is a blend. Oh, this is the base of what you're going to need. And then to top it, I'm going to do some ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and brown sugar. So let's get started. Got my meatloaf laid in the crock pot. Right here, I just guesstimated probably 1/4 cup ketchup with like a tablespoon Worcestershire and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Gonna give that a good mix. And now I'm going to just glaze this over top. I'm gonna cook this on low for 5 to 6 hours. And you could also do high for 3 to 4 hours. So I will see you back when it is done. This is done. It was going for 5 hours, and I think some of the ketchup burnt at the bottom, but it's alright. So it definitely shrunk, and I'm just gonna slice this up and serve it with some leftover mac and cheese with veggies.